Today, we're diving into the convenience and reliability of the MechanMagic key fob replacement. Designed to seamlessly integrate with a wide range of vehicles including Chevy Silverado, GMC Yukon, and more, this keyless entry remote offers a hassle-free solution to your automotive needs. With compatibility spanning various models from 2007 to 2019, including Chevrolet Avalanche, GMC Acadia, and Buick Enclave, you can trust this key fob to deliver consistent performance. Equipped with FCC ID OUC 60270 and OUC 60221, and compatible with part numbers 159134121, 208-68672, and 209-52474, this key fob ensures a secure and reliable connection to your vehicle. The ergonomic design and 4-button control make it easy to operate, while the pre-installed batteries and electronics guarantee a smooth setup process. Plus, with a frequency of 315 MHz and a lithium 3V battery, you can count on long-lasting functionality. While programming for 2010 and newer vehicles may require assistance from qualified locksmiths or dealerships, self-programming is available for earlier models, adding an extra layer of convenience. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or keeping it as a backup for yourself, this key fob is a thoughtful and practical choice for any occasion. In conclusion, the MechanMagic key fob replacement offers a perfect blend of compatibility, functionality, and reliability, making it an essential accessory for your Chevy, GMC, or other compatible vehicles. Unlock convenience and peace of mind with this trusted automotive solution. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.